back here with a Pevs quick little post-game review. I got Lieutenant Mittens here again with us. He was here with us in the second big game. That was fun.
Awesome.
What do you think today was? So this is what you've seen. You're going back up there anyways.
Yeah, it was good. I mean, I love Pevs. The terrain is good. It's got a great combination of CQB on some of the maps, but then real distance and range on the others. And we had good players on either team, but today just brought home to me more and more that everyone's got good gear. It's all about command and control.
Yeah.
If you don't have leadership, your team's gonna lose. Period.
Yeah, communication, I think leadership roles, and just being aggressive just a little bit. And if you have that, I think your team can win, and we saw that definitely. But there was a lot of, I've heard some people say certain things about certain players, but from my perspective, I think the sportsmanship out there was cool. I usually try to run cool with everybody, you know. If I found a guy, because I know a guy complaining to me on the field, I kept shooting him. I was like, oh, I'm already looking at him, and I didn't know what my distance was, so I fired, and I already got like 10 BBs on his way, and then he's caught and hit, and he's still getting hit with the extra BBs, but I talked to him after, he was cool with it, so I'll make sure, you know, nobody's on the bad side. Or
well, that's my thing, is you can get mad during the game, you can yell and whatever, but once the game is called, leave it on the field. You know, like I'll argue to the end of the day, and if someone's like, I don't want to call out the player, I don't even know his name, but he was complaining about spawn camping, and we got spawn camped the game before, and one of our guys was like, F this, and just broke out. Like, and it pushed him. The spawn camp pushed him to be a better player. And that's really what it comes down to. I mean, to rip it off from the Marine Corps, assess, adapt, overcome. Like, if you're not willing to work toward the goal, then you can't expect anything out of it, unless you want the ref to hold your hand
and go through the game, get the objective, and stuff like that. And there's always good things, bad things. There's stuff, even like paintball, I think there's always just depends on who's out there. You know, somebody swiping or not calling our hits, stuff like that. You know, it happens, but that's just how the game plays. Overall, I mean, I thought it'd be a lot more players out this weekend, but I guess it's just people are doing their own thing. I think it's still spring break or something. People are trying to take vacations. A little warm.
Well, you know what's kind of funny I've noticed about airsoft players is that you get this mix of guys that I know I could put a real gun in their hands and we could go into a real tactical situation and they'd roll. And then you get these other guys that are like 79 degrees, okay, 80, I'm not playing. Like, it's just a funny group of like really, really picky people and then people that just want to play. And I mean, I'm watching the paintball more and more. I think I'm going to play again. I haven't played in like a year, but just to like play because it's fun. But it just reminds me that airsoft is just...
I talked to you after the post-game review. So anything else? Any other comments?
No, it's good, man. Always good to roll with TAC Sport, man. Even if it's just one of them, it's noticeably different to have people that know how to command, know how to take orders, know how to communicate, and know how to play. You know, in any position. And that's the thing, is you get some guys that are like, I want to do this, or I'm not going to do anything else.
How'd you like my UMP? You said you liked that.
Oh man, I love that thing.
I love that thing. Sexy out there, man.
Dude, it's perfect for CQB. It's got enough heft to it. I like that the weight of it is good enough that it's a good platform. The red dot is surprisingly accurate. Like, I'm no optics. I shoot over iron, and that's just me. I don't think it's better or worse or anything. It's just how I shoot.
Used to it.
Yeah, but the optics, if you got good optics, it changes.
Because usually I run that same red dot on my G36, and I want to throw a red dot on there. So I had to throw that one because it's a quick detach on there, so it makes it much easier.
Well, I love your SCAR, man. Watching the videos from the second big game, hearing that thing go off, it's just...
It's insane.
It's pummeling, man. I can't even hear the individual BB shot. Like, it's just a scream.
So
good stuff.
All right, well, we're going to end that with the post-game review. You guys know how it is. We'll definitely see you guys around. I don't know when the next big game is, but we'll keep you guys posted. Everybody will get told when the date's at, and that's probably when we're going to play next, is the next big game. Hopefully, that's the idea. So I'm going to sign out. See you guys on the field. Peace.